Hello everyone, welcome to the third tutorial on Mendeley. So this time we'll be looking at how to add a file to your library and how to add a manual entry. Now to do so we need to open the software, Mendeley Desktop, and if you remember correctly, every time we open the software it's going to synchronize. That's what it's doing, and you can see that in my page I've got quite a few documents already because I've been adding some documents throughout the time. Now, if you also remember last tutorial, on second tutorial we added a folder, Lab 2 assignment, and we created a group called Lab 2 assignment. And here we already added two documents, one called Behavior Management and one called The Most Exciting Medical Technologies of 2007, which is an online website. Right? It's a website. Okay, so if I want to add a file, the easiest way is to open the folder where the file is, select the file, and then drag it to where I want it to be. So in this case, to the Lab 2 assignment folder. Now, if I put it here, you're going to see that it's there in all documents. See, editorial E, three E's. Now, if I want to add this to my group, all I need to do is select the file, drag it to the folder where I need it, and there it, well, didn't go, sorry. Let's do that again. And yes, now it's there. Okay, so that's the easiest ways to drag files around. Now, another way of doing this is to, and I'm just going to put it here on Lab 2. Another way of doing this is just to click on the button Add, go to the folder that you want where you have the file. In this case, it's this one here, I3Es. Open it, and there it is. Okay, please remember that even though I have the same entry in 3 different places, so Lab 2 assignment, and in the group Lab 2 assignment, the document is not duplicate or in triplicate. It's just the entry that is in several different folders and places. Now, let's imagine that I don't want to add a file. I have an entry of a book. I've got a book that I want to add, and in this case I've got a book with me. You can't see it, but it's called Writing About Literature. Okay, and I want to add this book because it's a resource I'm going to quote. I want to add it to my Lab 2 assignment group. Okay, so once I'm in my group and I've clicked in Documents up here, I'm going to come back to the Add button, but this time I'm clicking on the arrow and I'm going to choose Add Entry Manually. Now, a new window has popped up, right? I'm going to add fill in the fields that are important. In this case, I'm going to say it's a book. I'm going to write the title of my book, which is Writing About Literature. Now, the author is Judith Wolf. The year is, give me a second here please so that I can find it. 1 second. The year is 2005. I'm not going to add pages because I'm interested in the whole book at the moment. I'm going to add the city, which is Oxon. Now, this is the first edition, so I don't need to fill this in. I don't need to put in the editors either, and the publisher is Routledge. Remember that this is important to add as much detail as possible. And I'm going to click on save, and there it goes. Okay, so you can see that whereas in this one, sorry, didn't mean to open it, whereas in this one you have the symbol of the PDF, it means that there's a PDF attached to this entry. When it comes to this one here, there's nothing, right? So there's actually a mistake there that I need to correct. Literature, and you can add and you can edit all information on this side here. Okay, and so for this tutorial, that's what was important for you to learn how to add a file by dragging or by clicking add, and to add an manual entry. Okay, hope it was useful, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.